talking about me, who are they to judge me? See my glory, but they never see my pain.
Jamaican women have shown their mettle and dominance in all spheres of life, including sports. Most noted among Jamaica's female athletes is Merlin Joyce, more commonly known as the Sprint Queen. In 1980, Artie became the first female in the English-speaking Caribbean to win an Olympic medal. She's also the first female to run under 7 seconds in the 60 meters and under 22 seconds in the 200 meters indoors. Artie is one of the most decorated female athletes in the history of track and field, with 14 World Championship medals, 9 Olympic medals, and has the most Olympic appearances. Another trailblazer is Dion Hemmings, who won Jamaica's first female Olympic gold when she dominated the 400-meter hurdles at the 1996 Atlanta Games. Jamaica achieved another first in 2004 when Veronica Campbell-Brown won the island's first sprint gold with her 200 meters win in Athens. And Shelley and Fraser Price won Jamaica's first 100 meters gold at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. She defended and retained that title at the London Olympics in 2012. Sylvia Grant is one of the most decorated Jamaican Paralympians in recent history. Starting in 1988, Grant has been racking up medals in the pentathlon, discus and javelin events at the Paralympic, Para-Pan American and World Games, as well as the USA America's Cup. In the pool, Jamaica's Aaliyah Atkinson became the first black woman to win a world swimming title. She copped gold in the 100-meter breaststroke at the 2014 Short Course World Championships in Doha. On the pitch, Stephanie Taylor created history in 2013 when she became the first person to be atop the International Cricket Council ICC's batting and bowling ranks simultaneously. Taylor is also the first West Indian cricketer to win the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year award. And sport administrator Molly Rohn is the first and only Jamaican to head an international sporting body. Rohn has led the International Federation of Netball Associations since 2003. Jamaican women leading the way in sports.